Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Facebook apps dark mode. It's pretty easy and simple. Facebook apps now add a new feature for Facebook dark mode. So I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook apps dark mode. It's pretty easy and simple. Before starting our video, I would like to request you that guys, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Here you can see this is my Facebook apps and it's light mode. Now I make it dark mode. I convert it dark mode. Please watching carefully. It's pretty easy and simple. So guys, first of all, here you can see on the top right corner 3-line menu bar option. Just tap on this menu bar option. And after tap on this menu bar option, then scroll down. You need to scroll down. And guys, after scroll down, you can get a settings and privacy option. On the down here you can see settings and privacy option. Just tap on this settings and privacy. After tap on this settings and privacy, here you can see dark mode. Just tap on this dark mode. And after tap on this dark mode, they give you two options, on or off. If you enable on, that's your Facebook apps is dark mode. I enable it on, and look at this, my Facebook apps is already dark mode. So in this way you can make your Facebook apps or Facebook dark mode. It's pretty easy and simple. So guys, please watching carefully, and if you are new here and if you get more benefit from watching my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.